Welcome to my channel Sparkle Mind. Government Technical Exam Accountancy Senior Grade February 25 Exam Solution. Paper 2. Question number 1 to 8 Part A. Sparkle Mind சேனலுக்கு உங்கள் அனைவரையும் வரவேற்கிறேன். இந்த வீடியோவில் அரசு துறைகளில் பணி உயர்வுக்கு தேவையான 2025 பிப்ரவரியில் நடந்த கவர்மெண்ட் டெக்னிக்கல் எக்ஸாம் சீனியர் கிரேட் அக்கௌண்டன்சி பேப்பர் 2 வினாக்களுக்கு உரிய விடைகளை அளித்துள்ளேன். February 25 Part A. Answer all the questions. இதில் 15 questions இருக்குது. Each question carries 2 marks. So, first question, what is meant by double account system? Answer. Public utility undertakings supplying or operating electricity, gas, water, power, railways, etc., which operate under special acts of Parliament, enjoy monopolistic rights in their business of rendering services to the community. These undertakings require huge amount of capital to be invested on fixed or permanent assets. They raise most part of the capital from the public by issue of shares and debentures. To provide such information to the public utility undertakings split their balance sheet into two parts, with receipt and expenditure on capital account, the general balance sheet. Thus, the system of presenting balance sheet in two parts is called the double account system. Second one, what is average clause in fire insurance policy? Insurance policies for loss of stock may include average clause. This clause is needed to discourage under insurance. If stock on the date of fire is more than the insured stock, average clause must be applied to compute claim. Average loss of stock is equal to stock on the date of fire minus salvage value. Claims to be lodged. Insured stock by stock on the date of fire into actual loss of stock. Third one, ascertain the amount of profit taken to profit and loss account. Given notional profit rupees 60,000, work certified rupees 8 lakhs, 80% of work certified is paid in cash. Total contract price is rupees 10 lakhs. Solution. Given notional profit rupees 60,000 given, work certified is 8 lakhs. Cash received is 80% of the work certified. That is 80% of 8 lakhs comes to 6 lakhs 40,000. Since 80% of the work is certified, 2/3 of the notional profit should be transferred to general P&L account. Therefore, profit to be transferred to general P&L account is equal to 2/3 into notional profit into cash received by work certified. That is 2/3 into 60,000 into 80%. That is rupees 32,000. Hence, rupees 32,000 should be taken to profit and loss account. Question number 4. Calculate work cost. Given factory expenses rupees 700, office expenses rupees 300, selling expenses rupees 900, and material consumed is given 3,400. So we have to find work cost. Work cost is equal to, after prime cost we get work cost. So calculation of work cost. First we have to take material consumed is given 3,400. Then direct expenses are nil. Therefore prime cost is equal to 3,400. From you have to add factory overheads to prime cost. So factory overheads given factory expenses rupees 700. So we should add prime cost plus factory expenses, get 3400 plus 700 is equal to 4100 is known as work cost. Therefore answer is rupees 4100. What are the elements of cost? Elements of cost are 6. They are prime cost, factory cost, cost of production, cost of sales, profit and actual sales. Sixth question. Ascertain the profit for the year 2024 given cost of sales is rupees 3 lakh, profit at 20% of sales. Answer. Cost of sales is 3 lakhs. Here given profit is 20% of sales. Therefore, 20% on sales is equal to 25% on cost. Therefore, profit is equal to cost is given 3 lakhs. So, 25% of cost on profit. Therefore, 3 lakhs into 25% we get 75,000. So, profit for the 24 is rupees 75,000. Seventh one. What is meant by issue of shares at a discount? Issue of shares at discount. When the issue price of the shares of a company are below their face value, it is an issue at a discount. Under Section 53 of the Companies Act 2013, Section 79 of the Companies Act Old 1956, a company is prohibited from issuing shares at a discount and any such shares issued are void, with the exception of sweat equity shares. Section 54 allows for the issuance of sweat equity shares, which are shares issued to promoters or employees in consideration for the contribution of intangible assets or services rather than cash. Eighth one. Generalize the following issue of debentures. A company issued 1000 debentures at 6% interest at rupees 100 each at rupees 10% discount. Journal entry. So we got first to put up the form of journal entry. It has 5 columns: date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So first entry, bank entry. Bank account that are 90,000 to 6% debenture application and allotment account 90,000. Debenture application money received for 1000 debentures with 10% discount. Then second entry, transfer entry. Application money should be transferred to the capital, debenture capital. Therefore, debenture application and allotment account that are 90,000. Discount on issue of debenture account that are 10,000 to 6% debenture capital account 1 lakh. Debenture application money transferred to 6% debenture account. Thank you. Rest in the next videos.